It's about the emotion between a pet owner and his pet, and the relation between a pet owner and the pet. And this is what we are working for.
Wonder Food specializes in snacks for dogs and cats. It was founded in 1894.
My family has run the company 3 generations before me, so I'm 4th generation. So we don't look on just this year's profit, but we want to develop the business in the future, as my fathers have done before me. We are in a private label business, so we are manufacturing the brands of our customers, the big food retailers.
We work together with our customers to meet their idea of their products which they want to sell to the consumer. So we do everything for our customers. What the customer wants, we will do.
And they are very careful with their name and with their brands, and this leads to higher and higher demands on our production system, on the safety of our products, and also on new product development. So we are passionate about what we do, manufacturing treats, improving our processes, getting more efficient every day.
Technology is a big point for us.
We need data to improve, and the integration of data, the integration of our production facilities, and QID best fits to our demands and to our customer demands. And we felt that the flexibility to adjust the software to what we do here every day, to our very special and unique processes was perfect.
In moving to the cloud, we hope to achieve more time for focusing on our processes, and we hope to reduce our costs.
And we feel that this fits perfectly to the strategic situation of our company.
So we can do everything what our customers need.
We are Rondo Food, and with QAD
we are building the effective enterprise.